Hey, AluGlobus. So here we have a laser cut in a gate. So how beautiful. And people say, oh, it's weak. Pass the test of muscle. You can come and check yourself. Laser cut design, it's placed in a double channel, so I know it's secured. And it comes with beautiful designs and sleek. So sleek that designers are gonna love it. This is so smooth. You know it passed the test of impact. Let's do the code right now, and it fits any lock you want. We have a Yale lock here, which is awesome. I love this lock. Obviously, you're gonna need a handle with this or a vertical handle. Oh, what is this? Gate open by itself. So you can do any lock you want. This is our self-closing hinges. We do recommend doing a hydraulic closer. Don't rely on self-closing hinges. They don't last as long. So we always recommend doing a hydraulic closer. And here we're going to go inside to our next gates. And here we have our contractor line, AluGlobus. So strong, most of the people think it's steel. Look. Doesn't even sound like aluminum. This is engineered by AluGlobus, and it's the heaviest aluminum gate that I ever seen in my life. And you can slam this as strong as you want. Come to our showroom and slam our gates as you would like. So what's beautiful about this? First of all, it's 45, so you know it's going to be stability, strong. You got a hinge point that catches two walls. We're the only gate company that I know of that catches two walls on their hinge point, because our profiles, they're not hollow. So they're specially for gates and fences, and this is how we make our sliding gates. Amazing and heavy duty, because the sliding gate, you want to build it one time. So that's your gate here, and you can slam it. You can also put any lock you want. You can do latches, keypads, handles. Slam this thing as much as you want, not going anywhere. And that full aluminum, as I say, the contractor line. So there you go. People actually think it's steel. They don't believe us. Is this aluminum? They keep knocking on it. This is because our extrusion is not hollow, and that's what gives us the stiffness. And our insets are also 3/16 insets. This gate is a beast, and you can get that only at AluGlobus. So join us, sign up as a contractor, get your samples for wall cladding, slat system. We got the best price slat system in the nation, guaranteed for the quality 6063 T6 alloy and the wood grain finish at the best rates as well. Sign up, get your prices, and if you're in Cali, we can build the gate for you. Full assemble, you come down, pick them up, and go install. Anywhere else, we'll ship you the parts. You will have to do it on your own. See you guys.